Water, wells, and septic in mountain real estate. When buyers start looking at mountain property, one of the biggest differences from city or suburban real estate is utilities. In many parts of Park County and the Colorado Mountains, water and sewer are not handled by a city or municipality. They are often private systems tied directly to the property. That means buyers need to understand wells, septic systems, permits, inspections, and what those systems are legally allowed to serve. Does the property have a well? Many mountain homes are served by private wells. That means the property owner is responsible for their own water source. Buyers should review the well permit, production information if available, and any records showing well depth, flow rate, pump details, or prior service work. The well permit is especially important because it tells you what the well is legally allowed to serve. Some wells may be permitted for ordinary household use. Others may have limitations. Buyers should not assume that every well allows the same use. A well is not just about whether water comes out of the faucet today. It is about understanding the water source, the permit, the condition of the system, and whether it matches the buyer's intended use. Can I drill a well on vacant land? In many cases, yes, but buyers should never assume it automatically. Before buying vacant land, buyers should verify whether the parcel is eligible for a well permit. They should also look at expected well depth, nearby well history, drilling costs, and whether the area has known water challenges. In the mountains, one lot can be very different from the next. A neighboring property having a well does not guarantee the same result on another parcel. For land buyers, water is one of the most important due diligence items. A lot may have great views, privacy, and good access, but the buyer still needs to know how realistic it is to obtain water for their intended use. Is there a septic system? Most rural mountain homes are not connected to city sewer. Instead, they use septic systems. A septic system is the property's private wastewater system. It usually includes a septic tank and an absorption field. Buyers should understand where the system is located, what type of system it is, whether it is permitted, and whether there are maintenance or repair records available. In Park County, a septic transfer inspection is typically required when a property sells. That inspection is an important part of the transaction because the system needs to be reviewed before transfer. Buyers should not treat septic as a small detail. A failing or undocumented septic system can create delays, added costs, financing problems, and closing issues. Why this matters: water and septic are core parts of mountain property ownership. For homes, buyers need to know where the water comes from, how wastewater is handled, and whether those systems are documented and functioning properly. For vacant land, buyers need to verify what can actually be done before buying. That means checking well eligibility, septic possibilities, access, utility options, and any subdivision requirements. Mountain property can be an incredible lifestyle choice, but it works best when buyers understand the basics before they fall in love with the view. At Jefferson Real Estate, we deal with these questions every day across Park County and the surrounding mountain communities. If you are looking at a cabin, home, or vacant land, make sure you understand the water, well, and septic situation before making your move.